Hello student, today I am taking next topic thyroid gland. Right? In last lecture we have discussed about the hypothalamus, pituitary gland and pineal gland. In this lecture I will teach you about the thyroid gland. So first point about the thyroid gland is the largest endocrine gland of the body. Location: it is situated at the joint of larynx and trachea, dorsal side. Right? So the location of thyroid gland, it is situated at the joint of trachea but dorsal side of the body. Right? So the gland is well supplied with blood vessels. It is bilobed structure. Two lobes are connected by a narrow structure called isthmus. This type like it is made up by two lobes. These lobes also contain small follicles like structure, and right, this is isthmus by which both the lobes are connected. The thyroid gland secrete three hormones. Number 1, thyroxine. T4. Second, triiodothyroxine, T3, and third, calcitonin. Right, three hormones: T4, thyroxine, triiodothyronin, calcitonin. These hormones are secreted by thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is the only gland that stores large quantity of hormone. So this is very important point about the thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is only the gland which stores large amount of hormones. Thyroxine contains iodine and control the metabolism of carbohydrate, fat and protein. So I am explaining the function of each. Thyroxine hormone function. This thyroxine hormone contain iodine and it controls the metabolism of carbohydrate, fat and protein. So this thyroxine hormone contains iodine. Iodine molecule, iodine atoms present inside of this thyroxine hormone, and this hormone controls the metabolism. What is the meaning of metabolism? Metabolism contains two processes, anabolism and catabolism. Means synthesis of essential components, this is anabolism, and degradation and breakdown of complex to simple, this is catabolism, but both are collectively called metabolism. So metabolic process of carbohydrate, fat and protein all are controlled by this thyroxine hormone, right? It means the production of energy inside our body, it is regulated by this thyroxine hormone, right? Because the respiration is a catabolic process, so this thyroxine hormone regulate this respiration process also. So those people which have proper secretion of thyroxine, they have proper activity throughout the day. Second, triiodothyronine also performs same function as like a thyroxine, because there is very small difference. The T4 contain 4 iodine atoms and T3 contain 3 iodine, but both are thyroxine hormone. The secretion by the thyroid gland 95% T4 and 5% T3, right? So both are perform same function inside of the body, but calcitonin hormone it regulates the metabolism of calcium and phosphate. It means the concentration of the calcium inside of the bones and phosphate also, both are regulated by this calcitonin hormone. So the calcitonin hormone along with the parathormone, which are secreted by the parathyroid gland, both are regulate the concentration of calcium and phosphate inside of the blood and bones. So this is the function of calcitonin hormone. Insufficient thyroxine secretion causes iodine deficiency. It means when you are not taking proper amount of iodine, then the secretion of thyroxine will be impaired. So it is related to one disease, this is called goiter. So when you are not taking proper amount of iodine, then the size of the thyroid gland is increased in your neck and swelling will come in your neck part. This disease is called goiter. It is due to the low secretion of thyroxine, due to the deficiency of iodine, right? So this disease we can cure when we will take proper amount of iodine by the using of salt. So we should use iodized salt in our diet, which can cure the goiter disease. So this is the insufficient secretion of thyroxine due to the deficiency of iodine. In next lecture I will explain next gland.